Okay, y'all. I'm back kind of trading how I used to. Today we're gonna see if we can get double the amount of ticks. Um, and see if we can shoot for 400 today. It's almost 9:30. Um, we do have. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing. It looks like we're just going lower. So, maybe we just wait for that. We're about to have an IFEG on the 3-minute though. But, I don't know if we're going. All right, market's open. There is a. Let's see if we sweep from this gap here in reverse. That's what I would love to see. And then there's this low here. It's only 200 ticks, but there also is a big gap up here too, though. But we did hit the breaker too. Market structure shift. With sweeping liquidity. So, well, let's just wait and see, because I have no idea if we're going to come up higher or not. You know how I do it with them first 3 minutes. Honestly, though, on Thursday, you could have got in like right before 9:30. Let's see on the 2-minute. Now we need to close below that. I like a nice hammer candle, I'm not gonna lie. But there is a big gap up here as well. Five-minute is bouncing off this 100 EMA. Also, there's a support zone up here too. Alrighty, first 3 minutes is done. Cold. All right, first 5 minutes is up. If you're a 5-minute orb trader, we have a range now as well. To break and retest. Some people trade that. We are above on the 5 and the 3 now. Like I said, I still think we're bearish. I just don't know how high we want to go up. We could go up to here before we, push lower. So I want to wait until we get maybe an IFEG on the 2-minute. But also there's a fair value gap here on the 5-minute. It's very annoying. We got a minute left, which is so annoying. Well, there's the sweep there. So let's just wait and see if we want to reverse from here or keep pushing. Let's see if there's like a 1 hour range or something. I think we're just... Okay, well, there is equal lows on the 1 hour here. We just swept both of those. So now I'm like, are we just gonna keep going lower? Okay, that's a nice drop if we drop. Oh shit. I also didn't check news today. Okay. None. There's none. Okay. Let's do the whole week first of all. Tomorrow, 9:45. So we're not even trading till 9:45 tomorrow. The rest of the week, we're good. It's a weird place. I think we could still keep going lower though. Let's do it. Jesus Christ. We don't need it that big. No, I could be wrong, so. Because we could be reversing from here. But I like the IFEG on the 3 minutes. Maybe it's just retesting this. Hopefully it's retesting this to keep going lower, I hope. If not, this is not the best Hopefully it's retesting that zone and then pushing lower from that, and we keep going lower to that hourly low. For now, we have to obviously close below this before we can relax a little bit. But I don't know. If we close back above, yeah, it's not. Obviously, we're not in a market structure shift until we get up here. Until we close above these. We're holding below this for now. Let's see if we just hold and react off this gap. If we close above it, I might close my trade a little early, but yeah, see it's a bearish gap up here on the 2 minute. I should have waited and got in up here. Yeah, I should have waited on the 2 minute and got in on this gap, but look, it's a bearish gap, so I think we can still push. Okay, we closed out of it, but not hard. There we go. Yeah, I should have got my entry right there. That would have been so much better. We have a line here too, like right where our entry was. That's already 100 ticks right there that I just missed out on not waiting for the fair value gap. That's why I'm like, with NQ, them lower time frames, you be needing them sometimes, child. You be needing them from the entries. Because I entered on 3 minute IFEG. Yeah, I entered off this. We IFEG, and I meant to get in on this candle. Cause I should have waited for us to bounce back on the thingy, but oh well. All right, 15 minute is pushing lower now. finally. So it's we're in a weird place, honestly. We need to sweep this low first. We need to drop. We took that low, now we move this one to this low. Just need to push. Oh, oh. Come on. Make a whole new fair value gap. All right, 100. Can we get 2? Can we get 3? Can we get 4? Alrighty, you know how we do. We just bring these on down. Keep going lower, targeting new things. I don't know if we're going to get 400 today. Hopefully. We're still below the EMAs. I need to start waiting for the retest. Like, we broke. Retest, I should have got in like up there, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh, shit. Whoa. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not looking good. We're still holding this gap here. Oh, brother. Mighty scared. Especially because we still have no full body closes under these lines. It's all wicks. I need a full body close too. These wicks are showing us why we're bouncing all over the place. I need a full body close like this below these lines. We need a candle, not a wick like this. We need a candle close. Hmm. All right, we got a candle close under one. So now, see if we can get the close under the other one. There we go. We need a close, not a wick. I'm watching 911, so. All right, we got a fair value gap, which is good. We got a fair value gap, which is very good. We got a fair value gap, which is super good. So just tap back in it, and then we should push, and then we're at 150. Like I said, the next liquidity point is at 17,914, and we're at 980. So it should run through us. It should run through us. 200, you know, I usually take 200 ticks, so I think we're about to hit that. So let's see if we can. Oh, there's 200. Auto BE at 200, but I'll move my stop if I have to, because I feel like at least it could be moved to this. Pushing. Yeah, 17,980 on the 15-minute. That's somewhere in between here. Oh no. No. Oh no, this is getting good. There's our 200. All right, we do have a gap. So like I said, we have not tapped in. It can come all the way back up to this gap and then push, but we're gonna. The 15 minutes looking good. It's looking very good. And we have one more, a minute and 40 seconds into that. So. The show is unserious. All right, now, so we're getting double money this day. We're getting double money today. If we can get to our 400. If we get to 3, I want to trail, but there's this big gap up here, so. The 15 is still pushing, so. Now we're at 300. So that's really good. But like I said, there's this big ass gap here. But hopefully we push to our target before we hit that gap. That'd be nice. Let's see what this 15-minute chart is going to do. The 15-minute chart still looks good. Very good. We have a gap here that we probably want to fill. But we have 24 seconds of the 15-minute chart, as y'all see, and it's looking good, like it wants to push. So obviously the next candle is going to open up a little bit and then continue lower. This is the next liquidity point. There we go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Another gap, but we should be hit. We have another gap that might be hit before we get our TP, but we're definitely should hit our TP. Yeah. Yeah. Double money today. Just made back. Oh, a beautiful day. Why is it doing this? I did something and I messed up my, yeah, there's like a margin, I think, is what I made wrong. But yeah, we did it. A good day. a great day.